Today we're here at St. Gemma's Hospice to help solve a noise issue they're having in one of their function rooms. This room hosts fitness classes, lunches and group meetings, and due to an abundance of hard surfaces, the echo is making speech intelligibility and communication very difficult. So we're here with Yorkshire Soundproofing to install still note panels to solve this issue. Let's take a listen to the echo.
So we're going to reduce that RT60, reduce the echo by installing these panels. I'll give you a quick example of the RT60 in the room now, show you the echo, how it is currently. One more. There you go.
Now let's get down to installation. Still note panels can either be hung from the ceiling using our suspension system kits for the best results, or it can be stuck straight to the wall using a suitable adhesive.
Okay, so we've now completed the install of all the still note wraps and the still note panels. You can probably tell already from my voice that the echo in this room is significantly less, which means everyone can now conversate in the room without having to shout over their own echoes. I'll do a quick bang again, quick RT60 test. One more.
Let's listen to a quick before and after.
One more. There you go. One more.
The still note panels were able to reduce the reverberation time from 1.2 seconds to 0.6 seconds. This is a huge improvement, and St. Gemma's Hospice were very pleased with the results.